Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special dish. So guys can see my item. I see this sliced bread and this pear, avocado pears, and I have my cutlery knife here. So I want to show you how to use this pear to eat bread like butter. Can't be eating butter with bread all the time. Learn how to use pear with bread. It's very delicious. If you try it, you will not like to use butter eat bread again. Anywhere you see this pear, you will buy it and eat it with your bread. It's very delicious. So this is what I'm going to show you guys today, how to use it and eat your bread. It's very simple. Just peel the back and just keep washing. Just keep washing as I will show you how to use it and eat your sliced bread. When you rub it, make your coffee or tea, you enjoy it. So keep washing. So you can see, just peel it. Just peel it. If you like to divide it into two, then just peel it like this. There's a seed inside the pear. Peel it. So don't peel it all in case you didn't finish it at once. See, this is my sliced bread. See, wow. See, just rub it. Rub it in your bread like this. See how yummy it is. So don't peel off. You peel, you can keep it in your fridge. So when you do, the only thing you do now is to carry your bread. Carry this one. Now if you like, rub it for the two sides. See. See. So guys can see. If you do it, do your coffee or tea, then you eat it. It's very yummy. Wow. I love it. Wow. So that is all for bread and pear. Avocado pear. It's very simple. Buy your pear and buy your sliced bread and rub it the way I show you guys. Don't peel all, remain it in case, put it in your fridge in case you use it next time. It's a very sweet taste, very yummy. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it or not. I see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.